This is just the carrying the support for the load bearing beam all the way down to the foundation. And it's only a foot away from this pipe and 8 inches away from the steel beam.
What's on top of this right here? What's on top of this?
That's the beam going, that's the post going all the way up to the load bear new beam.
Okay, so the new beam sits on this.
Yep.
Okay.
So it sits on triple post, which sits on this triple post.
Well, that ought to do it.
Yep. So this is nailed in tight. It's nailed in tight up there.
And the other side, we don't have to show him anything over there?
Well, I have it open to show him. I put one 9 1/4 inch piece in, but the rest of it was already sitting on a brick pillar
You have it open?
upstairs.
Oh, upstairs. Okay.
You can see it all upstairs, so there's no reason to open it down here.
All right.